Hello, kids. How do we say in English, he has, he doesn't have, and does he have?
He has a new job.
He has a new job.
That's awesome. What does he do? She has a really cool style. She has a really cool style.
I know, she always looks good. He has a lot of friends.
He has a lot of friends.
Yeah, he's super social.
She has a big test tomorrow.
She has a big test tomorrow.
Hope she does well.
He has a really fast car.
He has a really fast car.
No way! What kind?
She has an amazing voice.
She has an amazing voice.
She should sing.
It has a weird smell.
It has a weird smell.
Yeah, something's off. She has so much energy. She has so much energy.
I wish I had that. He has a great sense of humor.
He has a great sense of humor.
That's why people like him.
It has a beautiful design.
It has a beautiful design.
Looks modern.
Negative sentences.
She doesn't have time today.
She doesn't have time today.
She's really busy.
He doesn't have a driver's license.
He doesn't have a driver's license.
Really? How does he get around?
He doesn't have enough money.
He doesn't have enough money.
That's tough.
She doesn't have plans this weekend.
She doesn't have plans this weekend.
Let's invite her.
She doesn't have experience.
She doesn't have experience.
She'll learn.
He doesn't have Wi-Fi at home.
He doesn't have Wi-Fi at home.
How does he survive?
He doesn't have his phone.
He doesn't have his phone.
Try later.
It doesn't have a battery.
It doesn't have a battery.
That's why it won't turn on.
It doesn't have a name yet.
It doesn't have a name yet.
Let's name it.
She doesn't have tattoos.
She doesn't have tattoos.
She's scared of needles.
Question sentences.
Does she have siblings? Does she have siblings?
One older sister.
Does she have any pets?
Does she have any pets?
Yeah, 2 cats.
Does he have a favorite team?
Does he have a favorite team?
Yeah, Lakers.
Does he have time now?
Does he have time now?
Not really.
Does she have hobbies?
Does she have hobbies?
Yeah, painting.
Does it have free delivery?
Does it have free delivery?
Over $30.
Does he have dietary restrictions?
Does he have dietary restrictions?
Yeah, no gluten.
Does it have a good camera? Does it have a good camera?
It's okay.
Does she have class today? Does she have class today?
Yeah, 10 to 12.
Does she have long hair?
Does she have long hair?
No, she cut it.
Now it's your turn. 1 positive, 1 negative, 1 question. Drop it in the comments. Come on, you got this.